and welcome to Prime News. Now a look at the headlines. No MLA or minister supports Sudin demand on moving Portuguese consulate out of Goa. Assert that people haven't done anything wrong. Supreme Court bans use of red beacon with flashes. Beacons only for high dignitaries holding constitutional post. Milka Singh lights up the torch at Lusophonia launch event. Eclope officials happy over infrastructure of Lusophonia Games. Anna Hazare begins indefinite hunger strike for Jana Lokpal Bill. Union government says Lokpal Bill during current session of Parliament. And Flying Sikh Milka Singh slams foreign coach over promoting drug culture in athletes. Snubs Sachin Tendulkar over Bharat Ratna. Now the news in detail. Directly or indirectly, neither a MLA nor a MP are in support of Sudin Dhawlikar's demand to deport persons holding dual citizenship. None of his cabinet colleagues feel that shifting Portuguese consulate from Goa is not a viable option. They say citizen has a right to choose their own citizenship. Nobody has backed Sudin, including the chief minister.
Consulate जे आसा ते युनियन मिनिस्ट्रीन दिल्ली वरून वचोवचें आमकां कांय ना आनी म्हाका दिसता युनियन मिनिस्ट्रीन स्ट्रॉंग एक्शन घेवन तांचेर सगळें तांकां धाडचें तांची सगळी प्रॉपर्टी जप्त करची.
This was the take of PWD Minister Sudin Dhawlikar. However, none of his cabinet colleagues, MLAs and even a MP feels that it wouldn't help the state.
Now, Portuguese are here. People are free to opt for Portuguese citizenship or Indian citizenship. Right now, we have only one citizenship. I remember 3-4 years back, we were thinking that government will allow dual citizenship because many countries in the world have dual citizenship, but our country has not accepted. But we cannot tell what people should do. It is the right of the people to attain whatever citizenship they want.
काहीच जावचं ना दिल्ली पयस ना हेजे पयलीं दिल्ली आसलें न्ही तेन्नाय जातालें न्ही दिल्ली केलें आनी गोंयांत केलें जो व्हडलो फरक कांयच पडना जो मनीस भायर वचून करता तो भायर वयतलो पूण आमी आमच्या गोंयकारांक सांबाळपाक जाय हो मुद्दो म्हणटा की आमी गोंयकारांक त्रास करपाक जाय लिगल इश्यू आहाय ते सोडोवपाक जाय तो आमचो प्रयत्न आसपाक
शिफ्ट केले जाल्यार तुमचो सपोर्ट आसतलो
गरज ना शिफ्ट करपाक तेच सांगता न्हू म्हाज्या अंदाजान कॉन्सुलेट शिफ्ट केलो म्हणून प्रश्न सुटना बॅनिंग एनीथिंग डजंट सॉल्व एनी पर्पज फाल्यां आमी ड्रग्स बॅन केला ड्रग्स चालू आहा प्रॉस्टिट्यूशन बॅन केला प्रॉस्टिट्यूशन चालू आहा सोरो बॅन केले जाल्यार सोरो गुजराताक चालू आहा हे सगळे गोश्टी चालू उरतात बॅन करप हे सोल्युशन नासता केन्ना आमी गोंयकारांक शिकोवपाक जाय तुमी पोर्चुगीज पासपोर्ट करपाची गरज ना म्हणून
No, it is a sensitive issue. We'll sit and talk about it.
कितें आतां पोर्चुगीज जायत जाणांनी पासपोर्ट घेतलो आहे आमगे गोंयकारांनी फॉर बेटर प्रॉस्पेक्ट्स समजलो न्हू ते वचून थिंगा रावपाक तशें कांय टेंशन ना फॉर बेटर लिवींग सिटी आनी स्टेटमेंट केलो तेणें पर्सनल केला आपले कितें विचार कितें अशें मांडले सो ओवरऑल गव्हर्मेंट डिसायड करता न्हू कितें जाय तें लोकां पासत पोर्चुगीज आसलेले हिंगा 5 वर्सां जालें समजलो सो ताका लागून ती कॉन्सुलेट हिंगा आसा गोंया आसा दुसरे स्टेटीन खंय आसा तेन्नाय न्हू सो ताका लागून आसा सो आतां डिसिजन घेवपा पडलें गव्हर्मेंटान दवरपाक जाय वा नाका म्हणटा
डिनाउन्स ही स्टेटमेंट की तेणी जे कोण पुर्तुगीज रजिस्टर केल्या तांकां गोंयची पुर्तुगाला धाडपा जाय वो धाडपा जाय डिपोर्ट करूं जाय तें रॉंग आय एम अगेन्स्ट दॅट स्टेटमेंट ही शूड विथड्रॉ दॅट स्टेटमेंट बट as far as the consulate is concerned, if consulate is taken even to Delhi and taken even to Africa, I am maintaining that there is no question kon register करपा हा तो करतलो because एक मनशाक स्वता right हा जाय तें करपाक that right Dhawlikar cannot take and I feel that those who are Portuguese registered or other who are contesting elections and Portuguese registered they should not contest elections.
Now Ministry of Home Affairs has taken this viewpoint politically, total politically viewpoint घेतलेला हा. काय तू एक मनशाक लागून 2 लाख गोंयकारांक त्रास जावपाक जायना.
ऑन द फेस ऑफ इट असली हे मातशी फायरवर्क्स कशें दिसता स्टेटमेंट हे, पण तेजे फाटलें जे रिजन आहा तें रिजन ताणें समजून घेवपा जाय अशें म्हाका दिसता. इट्स व्हेरी इजी टू से दॅट यू गो आउट एंड सेटल इन पोर्चुगल म्हणून, बट इट इज नॉट सो इजी वेन यू कम टू द रियलिटी. ह्या सगळ्याचो रूट आहा तो अनएम्प्लॉयमेंट, बेकारी. सरकार काय सगळ्यांक जॉब्स दिवपाक शकना, सरकार काय सगळ्यांक नोकरी दिवपाक शकना.
Bureau Report Prudent.
The Supreme Court has banned use of red beacons with flashes on all vehicles except those used by high dignitaries holding constitutional post. The Apex Court has asked the government to make appropriate amendments in the Motor Vehicle Act. Apex Court has sought a list of VIPs using red beacons from centre and the states.
In a judgment delivered on Tuesday, Supreme Court has banned the use of red beacon light with flashers on all vehicles except those used by high dignitaries holding constitutional post. An Apex Court bench also asked the government to make appropriate amendments in the Motor Vehicles Act to make the fine amounts a deterrent. Police, ambulance and other emergency services will use blue beacon.
संवैधानिक पदों के उन व्यक्तियों की सूची बनाए जो लाल बत्ती से चल सकते हैं, और उनमें जैसे केंद्र में राष्ट्रपति, उपराष्ट्रपति, प्रधानमंत्री, स्पीकर और चीफ जस्टिस. उसी के समकक्ष राज्यों में राज्यपाल, प्रधानमंत्री, मुख्यमंत्री, स्पीकर, विधानसभा के और मुख्य न्यायाधीश.
The Supreme Court also banned pressure horns, multiple sound-emitting horns and musical horns in vehicles. The court has asked all the authorities to start enforcement of these directions within a month. Apex Court has sought list of VIPs using red beacons from the centre and the states. Bureau Report Prudent.
The third Lusophonia Games promised to be a spectacular event, especially the opening and the closing ceremonies, going by the grandeur of the launch event. The game's torch was unveiled, the theme song and the game's mascot was introduced in the presence of legendary Milkha Singh and tennis star Sania Mirza on Tuesday evening. The Accolop officials have expressed satisfaction over the infrastructure created for the Lusophonia Games. The games will be held from January 18th to 29th.
Hands joined together.
Spellbinding, ladies and gentlemen, presenting India's greatest ever athlete, the one and only Flying Sikh, Milkha Singh. Let's give a huge round of applause to one of the greatest sons of India, जिन्होंने एशियन गेम्स, कॉमनवेल्थ गेम्स, ओलंपिक्स तक लेकर देश का नाम रोशन किया है.
Earlier in the day, the Accolop officials inspected the upgraded Nehru Stadium at Fatorda. They were very happy with what they saw and congratulated the government for delivering on the promise of providing world-class infrastructure.
For us, it's not only the games that is important, but also what is more important is the infrastructure.
Os jovens
The youth,
estudantes
the students
Lisboa vão ter a oportunidade de ter melhores instalações.
what is going to happen is that the youth, the students from Goa, they are going to have the best of infrastructure available in Goa for their use. And says congratulations to each and everyone. I said when I came for the first time, I have given them a lot of suggestions, and I'm happy that all the suggestions have been incorporated in this.
Bureau Report, Prudent.
A police constable attached to Kolwa police station, Rohan Naik, attempted suicide by consuming Retol. He has been admitted to Hospicio Hospital. He was allegedly facing harassment by a senior officer.
आयज 7 कोलवा पुलीस स्टेशनाचेर हो इन्सिडंट जालो. पुलीस कॉन्स्टेबल मिस्टर नायक अटॅच टू कोलवा PS हाणें रेड केक आसता तो खाल्लो. सो इमिजिएटली ताका हॉस्पिशियो हॉस्पिटलान शिफ्ट केला आनी तो एट प्रेझेंट इन ICU आसा. अजून पर्यंत कॉज कळूंक ना कित्या खातीर ताणें कंज्यूम केला. तो नॉर्मल कंडिशनान ना टू गिव स्टेटमेंट. सो जेन्ना तो नॉर्मल येतलो तेन्ना ताजो स्टेटमेंट रिकॉर्ड करून कॉज कळटले. हांवें SDPO मारगांवाक सांगलां की ही शूड कंडक्ट इन्क्वायरी इनटू दीस मॅटर एंड सबमीट अ रिपोर्ट.
तर तुमच्या कामात कितें कळ्ळां की अशें म्हणटा की PR अंडर हॅरेसमेंट तेणी केला. जो कोलवा PR आसा तेज्यांनी तेजी सकाळ फुडें कितें तोंडान वाज जालें आनी ताका हॅरेसमेंटूय जातालो. पूण त्या टेन्शनान प्रेशरान भितर तेणी कंज्यूम केला म्हणटा.
आसूं शकता पण हे तो जो नायक आसा पुलीस कॉन्स्टेबल ताणें सांगून न्ही मागीर ताका वेटीज येतली.
It's time for a short break. Stay tuned.